Hello guys, hello. Can you hear me? How's the sound? Sound is okay? Perfect, hello everyone. Hello guys. So it's slowly moving to my key level target that happened unfortunately before market open. So basically look at this range. Let me delete this circle. So look at this flat candle. We have 50% of weekly wick right above this flat candle, and my target for ES was 50% of weekly wick. Unfortunately, without us. Oh, okay. Come on, stop. Not that fast. So my plan for today, I would like to see how we can respect daily fair value gap on ES, and I would say already flat candle on NQ. Possibly it will end a daily fair value gap as well. So I would like to see how we can react from these levels. Ideally, not ideally. So if it wants to respect this level with 5 minute, let's say changing the state of derivative, we can actually try to short to TJF. That's pretty much it, not lower. So this blue box is on my screen right now. It's TJF box is basically the range between 20 and 30% of current weekly range. So that's my retracement levels for today. Extremely bullish. I cannot say like unfortunately, just bullish. So all I can say if it wants to offer short setup for me, this TJF, nothing more. So I will look for TJF only. That's the plan. And that's it. Definitely inside higher frame market maker buy model, right? Market is open. Once again, my retracement levels, these blue boxes on both ES and NQ. Okay, right now I'm 5 minute chart. Where's my mouse? It's right here. So we have flat candle on 5 minute chart. We have flat candle on 5 minute chart right here. Amazing, perfect. So still, let me delete some levels from my chart. I don't need this. And yeah, let me check SPX real quick. SPX, where are you? Sorry for lots of levels on my chart. I just highlighted some. Okay, we opened above 25%. We did not take this buy side liquidity. Let's see if we made a trace back to this this gap, alter TH gap right here. So basically looking for the tracement. Oops, not right here. Right here. Looking for the tracement right here on SPX. Let's see if this retracement may offer TJF. Not listed in Q, but let's see. TJF is just 20 or 30% of retracement of current weekly range. So you want to find low of the week, you want to find high of the week, and you want to, it's just indicator, you want to highlight 20 and 30%. So you can use, basically you just can use indicator. I can share with you guys. Give me 1 second. How to share. Or use, yeah, of course, just, you can use script actually. So mine are closure right here. Oops. You know, ideally, if I want to try to, it's not lots of points, by the way. Maybe below this weekly distribution level, we may try to look for a move lower. It's like 60 points. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know yet. So basically right now, 20% of current weekly range is right here. Our TGF level. So this red line is potential market structure shift. We got immediate retest of this level right here. By the way, look at ES, it's a little bit weaker than in Q. Okay, makes sense to wait for the makes sense to wait for the closure below this. Candle right here at least. At least. So trying to break below weekly distribution level. Okay, let me open MNQ on my top step account. Offer it immediate rebalance right here. Right here. Of course, ideal is to wait for 10 a.m. Still nothing right here. I would like to wait for the closure below this level right here. Once again, not in sync. Look how strong in Q compared to ES. For me, it makes sense to wait for the closure on ES first. So ideally, on 15-minute chart, it can be perfect. Oh, by the way, it can be perfect swing. Let me make like this. So far, nothing I like. All we can short is just retracement, basically TJF. At this moment, not lower. But preferably, I'm going to wait for 10 a.m., I guess. So ES doesn't want to confirm any short setup for us. In Q, was it able to break below the distribution level again? So basically, we got RTH test of previous day high level, basically on both ES and Q. That's pretty much it for now. Let's see what will happen next. Yeah, after 10 a.m., we will try to trade 2-minute inversion. Yeah, exactly. So we will talk about this. How many points we are away right now? Like, I would like to see this move down, honestly. Just not sure about setup yet. Like, no idea. Below the distribution level, I guess only. Slightly lower. I don't know about InQ, honestly. I just would like to see confirmation on yes. Let me see 5-minute chart. Same on 5-minute chart as we got on 15-minute chart. A little bit annoying, but still. I'm not asking for a reversal, just retracement to this blue box. It's like 75 points. Let's see if we may break below distribution level. To try this. To 20% of weekly range. Let's see. It's 1-minute chart. Let's see. Okay, we may actually try. Let's see. Adjusted contracts on top step. Equal those bodies right here, which can be the target. By the way, it's right below 20%. What else? Sell stops right here. Okay, trying to break below this level. Let's see if we can engage. Just broke this displacement below weekly distribution level. We'll quick check. Trying to break this level. At least something, you know. Let's see. I might try this right now. To scalp, you know, you can, with small size, you can also try this if you would like. Displacing below this level. One more retest of previous day high on. Just give me the retracement. I would like to enter slightly higher. Not in yet. I will tell you when I'm in trade. Yes, like, you know, like scalp. Just not sure what level, like this. Looking for entry right now. Give me 1 second. I'm going to focus. To jump right now. I like this displacement right here below the weekly distribution level to scalp to this 20%. You know, ideally trade slightly higher to make stop loss a little bit less if I want to try this. If not, we'll try to enter right here and just with aggressive stop loss at this point. Let's see. I'm not bearish. I'm bullish. I'm just waiting for TJF retracement. Trying to retrace. I don't know, like, I really would like to try this, but I might try. Just retrace for me, please. Please. I want to make stop loss a little bit less. Please. No, I would like to see, you know, the retracement down. If not to this 20%, at least right here. But I cannot enter, like, it's too low for me to enter the trade. Preferably to retrace higher to reduce stop loss. And then I can try to engage. I like, you know, slightly higher. Not in, guys, if you want to ask me. I'm not in trade. I'm just looking for the trade, but right now, nothing. Oh, actually, you cannot see my screen. Right now, nothing. I would like to see something like this, like this. And 18-point stop loss is not bad, I guess. Let's see if I can engage. If so, then perfect. If not, then not perfect. Nice retracement right here. We took minor buy stops right here. You know, funny to see. I mean, it doesn't look like a huge trade, but it's like 60 points. Guys, you can see my screen for trading. You ask me if I'm in. This screen is top step X. So obviously I'm not in here yet. Yesterday I took a loss trying to long before 10 a.m. Unfortunately, happens. Sell stops taken. Not taken, not, I don't know. Didn't traded PM session yesterday. But I locked my top step account. So on top step, it was red day. On other accounts, it was green day. So something like this. So, but you know, yesterday I journaled and I saw like even in hindsight, I would took this loss as well. So unfortunately, guys, here is my top step accounts. I guess you should see my screen of my trading platform. I cannot be in because you see my chart. You could see my executions, but can you see my executions? Not. Kind of not feel comfortable. Nice reaction of the sell stops right here. Now time to go to stop loss. Yeah, it's like classic. Let's see. Yes, you cannot see my ES chart. 0 trades taken, guys. I'm like, how can I show my profit? My perfect profit again for today. No trades, guys. No reason to hide something. Simply no trades. So we got minor closure below this candle right here. 20%. Where is my indicator? TJF still can be in play. In my opinion, it's not finished job yet. Oh, look, where is 20% on ES? It's like, it can be huge drop, I guess. It's like 30 points away, which is a lot. So let's check SPX real quick. Trying to SPX this range. We have buy stops higher. I'm waiting for 10 a.m. I will try to trade 2 minutes model. That's pretty much it. That's what I'm waiting for right now. Because yesterday I took a loss, pretty much similar setup. And then 2-minute model play out nicely, but I already locked my accounts, and I was like, ah. And I had plans to wait for 10 a.m., but I was like, looks like it wants to go higher. I got chopped out in that consolidation. Well, I guess I would like just wait for 10 a.m. No, I'm not in this trade. I mean, I wasn't disappointed with my loss yesterday. Once again, I backtest. I decided to journal after 4 p.m. And, even in hindsight, I would take this loss. Nothing changed. Unfortunately. Actually, you can trade like this setup offers 4 trades a day. 2 minutes model. So yesterday it played out 3 times. So I don't know what happened this night because I decided to sleep. But it was nice yesterday. Actually, I posted this on Twitter. If you want to check my losing trade, just go and check this. I was like, I'm going to enter turtle soup, but I entered long in discount. It was kind of nice, but it just like swept another low again and stopped me out. I was like, well, but once again, even in hindsight, I would take this trade. Cannot avoid. Yeah, I couldn't avoid that loss. It's okay. Part of the game. Part of the game. But right now, guys, I will try to be patient. I'm going to wait for 10 a.m. Just, trying to stick to a couple of models, not going to chase. Yeah, Dasha. Yeah. Of course, I could try to take this short on my evaluation account, but oh yeah, I don't have evaluation account to try something. Yeah, going to wait for 10 a.m. Just patience, Dasha, come on. If it's going to drop to 20%, amazing. Look at this guy who trying to say how bad I am. Just, guys, can you tell him where he needs to go right now? Please, I don't want to spend my time on this stupid man. Guys, please, do this for me. This guy with blue circle. I cannot block him, I guess. Let me see. Oh, I can hide. We did it. Yeah. Где? You cannot hear me. Hmm. Just funny to see how many low IQ people and, how many stupid men spend their time like hating others instead of like trade, for example, think how improve their lives. No. Let's hate the girl on live stream. I mean, why not? And this is really men, guys. Funny, right? I never saw a woman do this. Which is funny. Yeah, I mean, I don't care. Like, absolutely don't care. Just it's not like about my Steam. It's just like overall, right? Yeah, just funny to see this. Let's see. So I'm going to once again. I'm going to 10 a.m. I'm not going to take unnecessary losses because I took this yesterday. Anyone in? No. I'm going to wait for 10 a.m. I will try to trade just one setup. 2-minute model. If it's going to present this opportunity, amazing. If not, not amazing, but it's okay. Not chase yet. Pretty much happy right now, yeah. Look how ESD trace back to premium while NQ still in discount. Only what makes sense right now is to wait for TGIF, as I said before. You can go to TradingView and type an indicator section TGIF. Yeah, guys, I already finished even presentation for stat map. It's going to be like lesson, then session. How to trade TJF? TJF is not like setup or model. It just anticipate to get a retracement. We don't have like specific model for this. It's just like, retracement level. Right here. 5 minutes left. I'm going to wait for 10 a.m. Yeah, in Discord we are going to have webinar, exactly. It's going to be on Monday. When rainbow magnets, I mean, no reason for rainbow magnets since we are not in trade. No. Please don't join. I need lots of people there. Four minutes left. Yeah, pretty interesting hourly candle right now. Let's open stat map levels. Oh, actually not right here, right here. Okay, let's see, guys. Daily levels. Let me uncheck this and this. So right now I'm going to see how we respect the daily levels today. So basically right now we can see we got daily open right here, right? Then we got immediate move up, all the way up above daily distribution level. Above daily distribution level. So in my perfect world, of course, would like to see deeper retracements in TGF. And I guess it's too much to ask for daily open. And yes, that's too much, I guess, to ask for daily open today. But in order to complete daily range, let me check. Let me look at daily candle right now. Yeah, it's small manipulation below this level. Ideally, yeah, I would like to see deeper retracement down. Just looking at the stat map levels right here. 10 a.m. is going to offer new 4-hour range for us. Hope it's going to be minor manipulation higher with short setup. I don't know, but I hope to see something like this. You know, higher and 2-minute inversion to short. That's the plan. We will see, so. Yeah, TGIF. Interesting how weak ES right now. Maybe it makes sense to trade ES, honestly. Let's see. Okay, how many? 15 seconds left. SPX, it traced back above our old RTH gap. Okay, it's 10 a.m., guys. This means it offered new range for us. Well, I would like to see the retracement higher once again to form 2-minute inversion. Let's give it the time to develop. Okay, this orange line right here. Let me delete the sell stops. This orange line right here is for open. So manipulation right here, manipulation right here. So ideally, I would like to see okay, happy with my patience. Perfect Dasha did not execute before 10 a.m. Just one model and be done for today. Ideally, I would like to see this. If and yes, that's still bullish. It's still bullish, keep in mind. I would like to see the retracement, that's it. Let's see. I'm not going to enter off levels or I don't know, like fair value gaps, order blocks. At this point, I will only use inversion fair value gaps. That's it. And of course, yesterday it was perfect. 3 times today it's going to fail to offer inversion. Okay, I'm joking, but I hope it's going to offer inversion. Why only inversion? Because it's model with inversion. Entry for this model, inversion. Yes, only 2-minute inversion. Or let's see, maybe yes, may offers same idea for us. I don't know. We will see. We did not touch a British manipulation level yet on both ES and Qs. This means still nothing. We must touch this pink line. If it was even a couple of points away, it's still invalid. Please offer inversion for me. Just one model. One trade a day. You don't need more, Dasha. Calm down. Just one trade. No, I don't care about 1-minute inversion. I don't care about any other setups. I'm going to trade just one model. We will try to trade this. And after backtest session, we are going to trade this as well. So after backtest session, we are going to backtest this model, and that's it. And that's it. Fractal model, yes. Suggest 5-minute bearish setup right now. Let me show you. Oops. So far, 5-minute offers this. See this dark box right here? It's bearish setup. All I ask is just slightly higher, a little bit higher. Because if it wants to fail and just deliver to 20%, well, this model still valid until 2 p.m., so I don't need to worry about this, I guess. But preferable to trade this before lunch. Actually, 3 models to trade, like every single day. This model offers four trades a day. I mean, for 24 hours, it offers 4 trades because we have 4 sessions. We have four. Give me 1 sec. We have 4 sessions for this candle. Come on, yes. Yeah, I need this manipulation higher so bad. Offer imbalance. Just do this. I'm not asking more. I mean, it may go higher. It's okay, guys. Nothing wrong with this. Both ES and Q both ES and Q took bearish manipulation level. Gray box is bearish 5-minute spot. Ideally, I want to say like short's not ready yet. Can you show stat map settings? Of course. So every single day I have setting like this, 4-hour daily. Just my colors right here. You can pick any other colors you like. So I don't use New York midnight open. I'm interested only in daily candle. So daily open is 6 p.m. And calculation method is min. That's it. Pretty much default settings, right? We need to form imbalance, please. For this, we need to go still higher. I mean, still higher to offer imbalance. So idea, it's not like top target. It's just like possible move higher. So for this, we must have imbalance based on this model. Bullish manipulation. Bullish manipulation. 50 seconds left. We need to hold this a little bit higher. Just don't offer immediate rebalance. We don't need this. ES did this. It's so bad. Can we see a session stat map? I mean, of course you can see this, but I don't use this. I don't have enough backtest data. I never forward test this, so I cannot even help you with this. So of course you can see this, but I don't know how it's going to help you, honestly. If it wants to go to 6 like this, fine, I don't care. Idea will be exactly the same. I don't care how far it wants to go if I see that for our range not completed. That's enough for me to say I will look for retracement. Just will wait. Yeah, we will try to execute together. So, because on Twitter I asked who backtested this because I need more backtest data, but I'm ready to forward this on my account. I'm ready to forward this. Unfortunately, I don't have evaluation to forward this. I will try on my funded account. It's okay. Nothing wrong with this. Let's see. Once again, based on this model, we don't care. I mean, how far it wants to go first, but we must go above manipulation level or below manipulation level. If it wants to offer inversion, I will try this. Loss or win, I don't care. I just don't have, unfortunately, evaluation to try. I will try on my express funded. You got my idea, right? Actually, I'm going to just move. So that will be set up. I will take inversion fair value gap. 1 second, I need to bring my water. We got inversion. Okay, guys, I'm going to execute this. I don't care. No, wait. I'm going to try this. It's express funded account. $504. Okay. Just give it a chance, you know? Let's try. If lost, then I will try again at another same step. If lost, part of the game. How many contracts did I? Okay. One model a day. Last win done for today. That's the plan. Entry preferably will be a little bit higher, like right here. It's fine. By the way, I tried different different waters, but I like the taste of this water. I don't know. It was perfect. Guys, I'm going to just forward test this model. If it lasts, then perfect. If win, then perfect. I don't care. Last, then last. I will try again later. I'm not going to even disappointed with this. I will follow one setup a day. Did you get Costco chocolate? What is this? No, I never tried this. 3 micros. That's affordable stop loss. Because if it's lost, I will try again. The same idea. Because, guys, it's kind of annoying because every single time I'm like 50-50, I don't want to try this. Especially I'm trying to forward this every single day. And I'm like, okay, I missed this trade because I was like, no way it's going to work. It's stupid. So if you have one model, it's like you have enough backtest data, you have enough, like, you forward test, is this enough? If it lasts, then perfect. If it's win, it's perfect. So based on my forward testing, it's pretty much profitable model. It has more than 70% win rate. So why not to try this, right? I will stick to this model. Yeah, you have to take every single trade where is your model presented, right? My model presented right here. I took this. I don't care stop loss, win, or it's going to be winning trade. I don't care. You have model, I must trade it. Otherwise, it's not trading, right? Let's give it a chance. I just will try again if it's going to be losing trade. Exactly same model. Because my stop loss allows me to do this. Actually, rule to take the entry at 2-minute inversion for a value gap. Ideally, I must put my stop loss right here, but I put this above this equal highs right here, which is bodies. Let's see. All I would like to see at least 4-hour open right now. And this model presented right here. If it wants to go still higher and offer exactly the same setup with 2-minute inversion, I will try again. That's the plan. I'm risking less than $200 on this trade. I'm not going to consider. It's just my model presented right here. I traded this yesterday. I traded this last week. Yeah, last week it was one losing trade. It was okay. It was in PM session losing trade. It's fine. Once again, I will stick to this plan. And next week, after we're going to backtest this, so we are going to collect more data, right? Because usually I'd prefer to forward trade this. We are going to trade this again together. So I don't have evaluation right now to try, but I will get evaluation specifically for this for this model. So I have enough balance to try this on my Express funded account. We'll try to be patient. So main idea of this model is to form 4-hour range. So basically we have one 4-hour candle. We're looking for formation of this range. That's the plan. So basically we have potential manipulation, bullish manipulation, bearish manipulation. We have distribution levels as well. So we want to see formation of the range. So basically this range starts from 10 a.m. and until 2 p.m. So right now, I'm looking for 2-minute inversion right here. My entry was a little bit late if I want to look at 2-minute chart. But my idea right now, if it wants to stop me out, wait for another 2-minute inversion to short so far open. Because we got minor manipulation below this open right here, which is not enough to complete 4-hour range right now. So basically makes sense for me to wait for this setup. That's it. That's the plan. Otherwise, today it's not going to work. It's going to be losing trade. Then fine, we will try again during PM session. So during PM session, we are going to have exactly the same setup that will start at 2 p.m. That will start at 2 p.m. And that's it. And Q, what about to do something? It's too choppy right now. It's not real my bias. It's just idea to form for our range. And maybe TGIF, I will see. I don't know how it's going to play out. I have no idea. Maybe it's going to be winning trade. Maybe it's going to be losing trade. But main rule for me is just to stick to model. That's it. Yesterday I did not follow my rules. That's why I took the loss. Because I did not wait for setup. And it was like right after 10 a.m., maybe 10:10, 10:05, it immediately offers this idea. So yesterday this setup played out. Exactly same short of 2-minute inversion for your value gap. It played out nicely, amazing, perfect, ideally. I know, ideal, perfect, amazing. It will be 100% winning or losing trade. Exactly. No, right here, this model doesn't need to have displacement because we trade off inversion for value gap on 2-minute chart. It doesn't need to have displacement right here. And right now we are going to, I'm testing this on my Express funded account because I don't have evaluation to try. But to this model, we don't need to have displacement. All we must have is inversion. Stop loss preferably above the swing, but it's kind of like a big stop loss in my opinion for me. I will try again if it's going to stop me out. With target at 4-hour open. That's it. Just to complete a 4-hour range. No reason to add to positions right now. No. My entry was maybe like 10 points. How many points it was lower? It wasn't that bad, by the way. 4 or 5 points lower than I had to enter the trade. Guys, we are going to have webinar. It's not webinar. We are going to have backtest session where we are going to backtest this model. Just right now, we are going to forward test this. You can do this on, for example, on your evaluation account. You can do this on your funded account, but it's not safe. For our open is pretty much that I ask right now. This orange line right here. That's all I ask. Let's go. I think if I want to move at break even right now. No, you're too early. Give me 4-hour open. I'm here. This orange line. Can you see my TP? That's all I ask. I'm here. Just go to this orange line. Orange line was too close. It was 9 points away. It should go there. I don't... No, I'm so comfortable. No, stick to this model. That's it, Dasha. Guys, send this to this orange line. That's all I ask. Orange line, I'm here. Let's go. I told you. Oh my god. It was amazing. I'm not going to lie. I told you this model is perfect. Actually, let's leave it. So, runner. Raise 20%. 484.75. I'm going to leave my TP to 20%. I absolutely don't care if it's going to stop me or not. Give me TJF. Look at ES. ES also delivers to this 4-hour open. See model like in real time. Yes, I'm going to explain this model in my video. I'm not going to sell the courses, guys, to understand this model. No, at all. It just was beautiful. Amazing. Such a nice trade. Happy Dasha, you follow your rules. You know, guys, yesterday, I just realized this yesterday. I mean, like, if it's going to be losing trade, just lock your account. If it's going to be winning trade, that's just lock your account. If you just want to trade one model, and tap step is perfect, by the way, with this lockout option right here. Just lock out. Losing, not losing, I don't care. Maybe right now it wasn't perfect in terms of risk reward, but come on, model play out. What else do I need? Absolutely nothing. If this model has 70% win rate, and so far it has 70% win rate, based on our backtest, we are going to find out. Risk reward doesn't matter at this point. It's break even, that's it. Main target taken right here. Right now, don't mind 20%, but main target was right here. I mean, right here, but preferably, of course, 20%. It's still above bullish distribution level. And yes, guys, we are going to backtest this on NQ and on ES. I'm not going to backtest this with gold, CL. That's your job. I'm going to backtest this for NQ and ES because I trade this. And this backtest session is going to be for me. This backtest session is going to be on YouTube as well. So, but first I'm going to do webinar for members, but it's okay. I'm going to backtest. We are going to have lesson and backtest session in one live stream. I hope it makes sense. See, guys, I'm not going to sell you anything, right? I'm not cross seller. Swing point right here. I mean, these 6 points doesn't really matter, but it's okay. We got swing point. Just trading your stop loss. Amazing. W in the chat. We executed this live, guys, and tell me like I don't want to show my executions. W in the chat, guys. We did it. Finally. Perfect. Amazing. Great. I don't know what to add to this, guys. Executed on my Express funded account, guys. It's not huge profit. It's like $200, a little bit more than $200 on 4 accounts. Plan the trade, trade the plan. Mwah, amazing. It was 2 hour. Okay, at least something, you know. You know, I wish I decided to wait for this model yesterday, but I was so stupid and decided to like, let's trade consolidation. Let's trade consolidation. This perfect consolidation. Where it was yesterday. My trade. Oh, actually, I can show you where I entered. My trade was right here. No, not right here. It was. Oh, it's 1 minute chart. I'm going to show you where I entered the trade yesterday. It was right here. Amazing idea with long. I entered. Oh, right here. I was like, stop loss is going to be right here. Target was right here. Not right here, right here. It stopped me out for this 14 points. Then went to my TP. And you know, my husband yesterday said it was stupid idea to put stop loss right there because it's failure swing. You cannot put your stop loss at failure swing, you know? And when it was in real time, I didn't think about this. But right now, like looking at this, it was absolutely stupid idea. Stupid idea to put stop loss at failure swing. Obviously, I need to put my stop loss at lower low. But no, I was like, I want to see like low risk buy right here, but I decided to try this. Okay, $70 down. It was 4 micros or something like this. Unfortunately. So after this, I decided to lock my accounts and say like, okay, done for today. See this 20% delivery? Guys, remember, I guess 2 months ago, I said like every single time when I'm trying to trade consolidation, I have losing trade. I wasn't lying, guys. I did not lie, guys, to you, because every single time when I'm trying to trade consolidation, no matter what, like no matter 1 micro, 10 micros, I don't care. Every single time I have losing trade. If it's like stop loss 5 points, even like 20 points, even if it's like swing point, it's going to sweep my stop loss and just go to my TP. Just market makers watch. It wasn't even on stream yesterday. Yesterday was day off for me, and I was like, I will try. Market makers, where's the cameras? I don't know. Where's the cameras? I don't know. What is going on? Why every single time when I'm trading consolidation, it's a losing trade. Every single time. We plan the trade, we trade the plan. We did it. So happy with my performance right here, honestly. Just one model, and let me lock accounts right now. Oh, actually, my P&L. Lock accounts. Boom, 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 boom. Let's lock this until I'm going to lock for 1 hour right now. Custom. No, 1 hour. Yeah. Going to lock this. Yeah. Base decision, right? Yeah. Base decision right now to lock accounts. Model was this one. You have strategy for consolidation? Of course you can share with me because I cannot trade this. Stopped out, you stopped out twice on shorts. Remember what I said before 10 a.m.? I said like, I'm going to wait for 10 a.m. because I don't want to take unnecessary losses. Short again? No, I don't know. That's it. My model play out. I mean, of course it may I don't know like what it's trying to do right now. I don't know. May do this, which also okay, but no, it's not my model anymore. Guys, don't worry. I'm not going to hide any models or sell these models. It's going to be free on YouTube. How can I will show you later. So, but I prepared presentation. It's perfect presentation, PDF, not presentation, with this model. It wasn't model 2022. This model based on paid indicator. But once again, this paid indicator, actually, if you trade funded account, your personal account with this model, once again, right now it has 70% win rate. After the stream, market makers is going to watch our stream and, of course, change the algo. It's not going to work anymore. Easily happens a lot. Every single time when I see perfect model, it works so nice. And I announced this model in front of like 2K or how many people? 1,000 people. It stopped working. It's classic, but it's okay. In my opinion, this paint indicator may actually you can cover this with just one trade. Yeah, guys, I have lots of I started working on several videos right now. It's about order block. It's about this model. By the way, I tried this model for 2 months. 2 months. And I started working on how to not blow accounts video. So 3 videos. So, and guys, quick reminder, I have 2 kids, little kids. They also ask for my time. But on Monday, it's going to be bank holiday. My kid is going to be at daycare, and I'm going to enjoy the day after after session about stat map. It's going to be perfect. How to not block account. Yeah, exactly. I'm so sorry. Tick trader code. Unfortunately not. I never work with them. I mean, I don't have accounts with them. I don't know how. Is it good prop firm? I mean, I cannot recommend prop firm that I never tried. I don't have code for this, unfortunately. I mean, not fortunately. Like, I don't know what this prop firm is. You have so many models. Overall, I have 3 models that I trade daily. But I must trade these models based on conditions, right? What your kid's name? Nathan and Daniel. By the way, my second son is going to be 4 tomorrow. Yeah, he's 4 already. Come on. I lock my accounts, guys. Okay, my first son is 5. My second son is going to be 4 tomorrow. They 17 months apart. It's crazy. It was crazy idea. I asked my husband why we decided to do this. It's hard, but right now they try to play together finally without me. They trying, but it's still like mama, 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 mama. It's Daniel's birthday tomorrow. No, guys. I'm child free. That's it. No more kids. You know, my 30s is around the corner. I'm 20. Thank you. Thank you. My husband is 40, by the way. He's much older than me. I'm going to be 28, guys. Yeah, my husband is 40, but you know, it's like another kid, so. I mean, I cannot call him as a trader. He's like a long-term trader. Yeah. It's okay. You can share with me. You're going to be 27 this year. By the way, I started trading when my husband, he said like, I found perfect trader. Teacher who can teach you how to trade. It was ICT. But he said, I was trying to watch him, but it was like too long videos. I'm not going to watch anymore, but I know you will do this. My kids are 5 and 4. 14 old. Okay. I wasn't charter ICT teacher. No, it was. I started with 2022 mentorship. It was my first video that I watched. And not going to lie, it was hard. So I started with small caps, actually stocks, but it was extremely, extremely hard for me because it was like I imagine I wake up, I need to look at screener and find stocks that I want to trade. Every single time is going to be different stock. It's crazy. It was like, oh my god, it just takes so much time to find stock to trade. Then I need to like catch momentum, and it was no, thank you. And you know, I didn't know about futures. I did not about forex. I did not know about anything, only stocks. And when I found out that I can trade just one instrument, I was like, what? What? My husband from Belarus as well, yes. No, I do trade micros with MNQ, and I'm fine to say this. I know lots of course sellers are going to tell me like, she has to trade like 5 minutes because she streams on YouTube, because she, I don't know, sells Discord membership, but guys, okay. I don't have to do anything. I trade what's comfortable for me. I trade micros, guys. Yeah, just be yourself. Lots of people will tell me like ICT it's not working, but guys, if if it did not work for you, it doesn't mean it will not work for someone else. It works for me. I still traded. I still traded this for 3 years. It works for me. It worked for me, and maybe it will work for me. I don't care what other people will tell me about this. If some people trade trend lines, perfect, amazing. If it works for you, trade it. If some people trade, I don't know, EMA, or MACD, I don't care, trade it. I don't need this information. If it works for you, trade it. My kids not 14. My kids are 5 and 4. I have 2 kids. Guys, if you just joined, I already said I'm going to share this model next week. I mean, every single setup works. You know, trading is not about setup. It's about your risk management, about your discipline, and so on. But it's not about setup. No, this model works 4 times a day, every single day. Yeah, guys, we took the trade. I took the trade with chat, this trade. Yeah, we're profitable today. Why I start trading? It's an interesting question. So when I only moved to US, I was a basketball coach for little kids. It was like 3, 5, 6 years old kids. Then I was pregnant with my first son, and I was at university at this time. Then COVID, perfect time COVID. Like we stopped going to university. It was from home, and I was like, oh, it's so boring. So I have classes. Not going to lie, it was boring. I have online classes. It was boring. I was like, oh, I need to do something else while I'm while I'm watching lecture. Then I find out about trading, and I bought only course that I bought, guys, was Ross Cameron course. It was video trading. It was so expensive course. It was more than 5K. And yes, it was perfect. Not going to lie, it was perfect base for me. But once again, I decided, you know, I had one kid. He was like 9 months old, or 10, I don't 9 months old, I guess. So he slept until 6 a.m. and I decided to wake up at 4 a.m. to simply test this market. At 4 a.m. Crazy, like, Dasha, are you crazy? Are you serious? And I was like, I was trying to open a screener, which was provided by Vodio Trader in their platform. And I was like, lots of people like, let's long this small cap because we got some news. It was like medical news. I don't remember. And I was like, how? I was so slow, I guess. It was hard for me because I need to wait for news came out and just like immediately enter within a couple of seconds. I mean, I tap symbol even less than, I mean, like, I need to type symbol like for 5 seconds and they already in trade. I mean, yeah, it was hard. No, I mean, did you get refund? No, I mean, I frozen my membership. It was 3 years or 2 years ago. I don't know if it still works or not. No, it was perfect. Not going to lie. He gave me solid base about trading. I didn't need like model, just understanding what trading is. It was perfect. It was perfect presentations. He explained pretty well. It was nice. Guys, who remember how much StatMap indicator costs? I have 20% discount. I just got Elite collection. I don't remember how. I'm going to do giveaway of this indicators Elite collection, but I don't remember how much that map was. Just one single $45 maybe. I don't remember. Give me 1 second. I'm going to check for you. $45, $49. But once again, with one trade, you can cover these expenses, right? Mentorship from 2016. It was core content. Mentorship 2016. It was probably core content. If so, then yes. Yes, guys, I'm going to create the video about this. Guys, backtest session with lesson. So in this backtest session, I'm going to include lesson. It's going to be next week. I'm going to let you know on on Monday on Twitter, please. You can find links right here to my social media. So I'm going to announce this backtest session on Twitter. It's going to be lots of people there. Okay, guys, first I want to tell you, don't buy indicator if you don't know how it works. Let's backtest this together, and if you're going to be satisfied with results, you are going to get it. If you're not going to be satisfied, you can try to find something else. Just my recommendation, okay? See, you're skeptical about this, then you don't need to buy this, at least for now. After backtest session, maybe you're going to change your mind, I don't know. First, let's see how it works. I don't know how results is going to be based on backtest session because I don't have data for this yet. I executed today with chat. So yes, we traded this perfect short right here. Can you put notification on YouTube? I mean, I'm going to create public post on YouTube as well then. Can you do notifications? I'm going to announce, guys, don't worry. It's going to be trading time, so it's going to be between 9:30 a.m. and 11 a.m. So we are going to just skip one trading day for this. Okay? Guys, I locked my account, so I'm not going to execute anymore. Just, just trying to be disciplined and have one trade at least during one. So for AM session, just one trade. For PM session, maybe one trade, but preferably one trade a day. You got this yesterday. It's okay. So we'll have webinar about this, so it's okay. Guys, I'm not going to explain this right now because it's going to be fast in rush. I'm going to miss something. Let's do a separate session for this. No reason to discuss I want to discuss this in detail, but right now I'm going to say trade this without context, right? So no reason. Wait for the next week. You're not going to miss anything. I mean, our trade was truly amazing. Yeah, it was nice. It's out of sync right now with ES. See how bullish ES right now, while NQ still kind of stuck at equilibrium. Honestly, I don't know what I want to see at this point. Yes, it trades back to daily fair value gap, this red box. What NQ trying to do? Maybe NQ trying to reach premium again? We will see. I don't have plan right now for NQ. Makes kind of sense to trade at least to deep premium, at least, somewhere right here. Since it's kind of stuck at equilibrium. But kind of choppy right now. Yeah, let's wait a little bit more. We need more information right now. Kind of tricky. Oh, it was 1 minute for inversion. Kind of tricky right now. If I want to open fractal model right here, it's still trying to hold bearish T-spot on 5-minute chart. Distribution level for ES is right above 50% of daily fair value gap. Let's wait a little bit more. I would say not enough information for me right now to consider any trade. Kind of choppy, right? Yeah, some people want to see previous week high as end of market maker buy model. Let's wait, guys. Right now, once again, choppy price action. Cannot say what I would like to see. On yes, it was kind of bullish, right? Lots of failure swings. One failure swing right here. This move down wasn't able to break this low. Another failure swing right here. Oh, okay, I'm going to bring this back if you would like. 107. What's the level right there? Let me see. Oh, it's major buy side. Could I have this level on my chart as well? Okay, guys, I have a question. I mean, I did not find the answer, so maybe you'll help me. Look at this right here. Isn't this perfect sell side liquidity to take? Right here. Such a nice, perfect low resistance conditions right here. And I was like, CPI, maybe pre-CPI price action is going to deliver us to the sell stops. Right here, it was my weekly plan. I prepared this weekly plan on Sunday, and right here, it was 10 points away. I just don't understand. Maybe you can explain this to me. Why? Why with this move down, which was kind of obvious move down, it failed? Guys, by 10 points. Maybe I'm missing something right now, just trying to understand. Because not going to lie, it was my weekly objective. I mean, rejection block, maybe. Yeah, just looking at this chart, what I would like to see. I mean, I can say maybe it's trying to prepare second stage of redistribution, but where is it like pump a lot for the second stage of redistribution? Kind of tricky, right? And my question, and it's really a tricky question for me. I cannot find the perfect answer. Why? It looks so nice to sweep this low, right? At least sweep to enter this breakaway gap, then reverse all the way up to this all-time high. If not all-time high, to this major buy side liquidity. But this reversal, not going to lie, was like ridiculous. I was like, are you serious? Because right now it's like a lot to drop, like 700 points. No, even more. Like 1K, 1,000 points lower from this buy sell side liquidity. I just don't understand this, honestly. And if I want to open ES chart, not this ES chart, this ES chart. We got this equal lows right here, which is like even more ridiculous. Both ES and Q was trying to take major sell side liquidity, both failed by a couple of points. And I was like, how? Is it even legal? What? Yeah, pretty much trying to hold trend line. I see this. I mean, just did not make sense. And trend line right here. By the way, right now we just touched this trend, I guess. YM took it. But honestly, just looking at ES chart, I mean, YM is nice, but equal lows on high time frame. We got low resistance liquidity, perfect low resistance liquidity on NQ. Both failed. I mean, if SMT, let's say ES took this major sell side liquidity, I mean, okay, I may understand this. But this reversal was like, what? It was crazy. I mean, like, just cannot find the answer, honestly. It was trying, so it was perfect for me. It was perfect end of market maker sell model. And I was, when I woke up on Monday, I was like, oh, What? Sunday delivery? But honestly, it wasn't Sunday delivery. It just was a reversal from nowhere. Who can explain this to me? I don't understand this. How is it possible? How is it possible? Yeah, for I'm fine. I mean, as a target, bodies is amazing, but as like logic to move to liquidity levels, right? Kind of doesn't make sense. It's just lots of points to drop. It's either going to be like huge sell off next couple of weeks, like huge sell off trend day, trend day, trend day, or it's going to be just stupid price action. Do you speak in Russian at home? Yes, I do. I do. Honestly, guys, this month so tricky because almost every single move doesn't make sense. Almost every single move doesn't make sense. Belarusian. No, I don't know this language, honestly. In Belarus, this language is called like diet language. No one uses anymore. But when I was at school, we learned this language. But I don't remember this. When I was at school, my second language was Chinese. But don't ask me, guys. I already forgot this language as well. By the way, guys, not going to promote this, just going to let you know. It was on Wednesday. Someone asked me about chat member only, and I finally did this. But I did this even like better. I added some options for chat for YouTube members, so you can like have access to the caps and pre-market plans right now. If you member. It's not necessary option, just wanted to let you know. Yeah, of course. One second. Give me 1 second. I'm going to ask permission first. Give me 1 second. I'm going to ask permission because it's not my indicator. It's not public indicator as well. I'm going to ask permission first, okay? If you want to become a member, you just need to go on my page and next to subscribe button, you'll find join if you would like. So guys, I'm going to ask permission to share this indicator. It's like wickless candles. So it's going to highlight candles with no wick. We call them flat candles. We call this no wick candle. So it's going to highlight which time frame is that. So basically we have 4 hour, we have hourly right here. We have lots 1 minute ones, right? And we have a 5 minute right here. Done? Perfect. You're welcome. So welcome to my small family. So So you have to build the model around, for example, I was able to build the model around the stat map levels, but once again, not for free. I mean, I share everything for free right here. Just if you want to become a member, you're welcome. If you don't want, it's fine. I mean, that's fine. You still can be here. It's not going to change anything. Oh, you mean you're asking about indicator? It's going to be free, yeah. I'm just going to ask permission first because it's not my indicator. It's not public indicator. You ask me on... I'm going to answer your question on Twitter after stream, okay? We are going to finish soon. Okay. At least we did trace back to premium right here. Guys, I ask permission, so if she's not going to reply me right now, I will share this indicator next week, okay? It's we have flat open. I mean, I don't know, flat open. Yeah, lots of I mean, some people just ask me about it, just like dots right here, kind of hard to see. Guys, I'm going to share once he give me some permission, okay, for this. I will share. I'm just not sure if I can share this right now. Well, guys, any other questions? Any other questions? I just want to go to Target right now to get some balloons, you know, some decoration for birthday. Yeah, I love Target for this. I mean, I don't know any. I mean, I can go to Walmart, but Target like across the street right now. It's much easier to go right there. Because you know what is funny? I remember like 5, maybe even 6 years ago, it was so easy to order on Amazon with Prime subscription, right? And I just need to wait like for 2 days for my delivery. Right now, like, if I'm going to order today, I'm going to get this in 7 days, in 5 days, still with Prime subscription. I mean, from AliExpress, I can get like my order even faster from China. And I'm like, okay, I just go to Target and get exactly the same what I need. I wanted to order the cake, but I realized that I decided to order this too late. I called them and they said, we cannot do this for Saturday because I called yesterday. They said, unfortunately, we cannot help you. I was like, okay. Dollar stores. I mean, you know, I'm not going to lie. When my kids ask for, you know, cars, small cars, right, like this, we always go to dollar store. I'm just like, if you want a car, just pick one and let's go. Like Hot Wheels, you know, the small cars, like for $1. This store perfect for this. Backtest session is going to be next week. Well, guys, where did you get your lead from? You mean which one? This on air? Limit traders? Or this vertical lights? Which one? This on air from China? AliExpress probably. This limit traders from Amazon. And this vertical lights also from Amazon. It's going to be live on YouTube. Yes. Okay, guys, if no more questions, I'm going to leave you because you can ask same questions on Twitter, okay? If you have like some questions. I don't mind to see lower because my concern ES is so strong right now. I mean, solid reaction for our open, absolutely solid reaction from TGIF levels on NQ. No matter how bad I would like to see ES lower, I cannot say right now if it wants to drop because we don't have confirmation for this, right? I'm not going to back today, so I just want to prepare some decorations, Yeah, I already got presents, but I need to prepare decorations, balloons. I'm going to announce about backtest session next week. I hope I'm going to announce about this on Monday on my Twitter, okay? What mic? I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm going to just SM7DB. This one. My Twitter? Yeah, of course. Of course. Of course. It's not a problem. Let's do this. Give me 1 second. You found it? Oh, you mean my mic? Guys, here's my Twitter link. I'm going to announce about session right there, just for your information. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? If you have any, like quick questions. No? It's okay. If no. About model, I'm going to talk about this next week, guys, on YouTube. Then I will see you next week, not on Monday, but on Tuesday, because on Monday I'm not going to stream on YouTube. Thank you guys for happy birthday for my son. Will it be recorded? Of course, of course. See, even my phone tells me, Dasha, you need to go. You need to go already. Market is going to be closed at 1 p.m. Enjoy your weekend. Spend some time with your family. Try to, some people, funny, like some people during the weekend dream about market on Monday. I never dream about market when I have weekend. I enjoy my weekend. I'm like, oh my God, finally that's weekend. I don't need to trade. It's like, because weekend is weekend, so I need to enjoy my life. Have a nice weekend, guys. I will see you next week. We are going to have perfect backtest session. It's going to be during market hours, so it's going to be like from 9 a.m. until 11 a.m. We are not going to trade. We are going to have session, right? Sometimes it's better to spend time on education, right? You're welcome, guys. See you. If any questions, once again, you will find me on Twitter. Bye, guys.